Welcome to part 2 of our Singapore walking tour. Today we're going to Tampines Hub. We're here at the Tampines Hub. I guess it's a place where the locals hang out during the weekdays or even weekends. We'll see what they have here. Tampines Hub. It says Service Center or Tampines Hub. There's a movie screen here. They're showing something. Not a lot of people watching. Today is a Tuesday, so probably why. You found a vegetarian place?
Yes, I'm happy.
Okay. You want to look at the menu?
Yeah.
What are you getting? They have roasted chicken rice. Is that vegetarian?
Yeah.
No, I mean roasted chicken rice though. You think it's fake? Everything here is vegetarian?
Yeah.
So it's fake meat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna look next door, okay? GC for second cutlet and the pizza. Ronnie roll. We are in a pizza over here. Huh? Yeah. And beef noodle and clay pot. Pouring delights, desserts. Oh, they have desserts there.
So I'm getting Maxwell Chinese chicken rice. Specifically, I'm doing the chicken cutlet with biryani rice. I don't have any money though, so I have to borrow from Mike. We're having an early lunch and what is this place called? Tampines something. I forgot. What are you having?
I'm having a vegetarian, tastes Singaporean or Malaysian. It's curried, I like laksa.
I'm having, what is it? Chicken cutlet with biryani rice. And there's egg here. And I don't know what this thing is. I think it's a soup. You need to return your trays and there's a specific place for halal food and non-halal food. If you don't do that, here it is. You're gonna get fined. Where are we going now? Oh yes. Festive Walk West. I think we're gonna go for a walk. There's Central Plaza. And there's our friend there. Our friends, I don't know where we're going. I'm just following them wherever they go. We're going up to the second floor. I guess the name again is Tampines Hub. It's a pretty big place. It's a pretty big place. We're going up to the roof. I don't know what is there on the roof, but we need to keep going up. They're leaving me behind. There's an area where you can do weight training. And there's a nice neighborhood park there. And if it's not too hot, you might go and walk around. All of these buildings are government housing. They're not the buildings are not very tall because we're not too far from the airport. They have tall buildings near the airport. For obviously. Tampines Central Park says. They have all of these are for residents. They have everything you can need. There's a family medicine clinic, wellness center, gym, swimming pool, and various sports activities, martial arts, hockey, on the horse, yoga, volleyball, and of course I'm walking on a jogging, a running track right there. Oh, that's a soccer field. Oh, the track goes around. How old is this thing?
This is actually like 2016, 2017.
These are tomato plants. I wonder they have roots over the tomato plants. And here's the soccer field that I couldn't see from up there because the wall was too high and I'm too short. It's really amazing that they have all of this in this neighborhood center. This is a public library, Central Public Library. It's a small library just for the neighborhood around here.
Magazines there. Oh, you can see the soccer field from here too. Reader's Digest. My dad used to subscribe to that. Still, large print probably. Where's the soccer field? Oh, what is this? Very nice. Books. So we have a space where they can do cooking lessons too. So, community members. Culinary Studio 1 for cooking lessons here. Cookery. Oops, we're going up. Escalator takes us under maintenance. We're going up. It looks like they also have an indoor playground for kids. Folk tales. This is really something else. It's just for this neighborhood and it's really servicing people who are in government housing. This is for little kids. Picture books. Oh my god. That's nice. It's not Mickey. This is the Mickey. Oh, that's good. Wednesday to Sunday. So it's Tuesday today, right? They're closed. Come on, we have this. Think of 8 Tampines. They have a play area down here for little kids. With see that play area for little kids. What do you call it? Ball things? Huh?
We're continuing with our walking tour here on Tampines Hub. It's pretty impressive. They have everything. There's a mall. I think we're going down. Could be to the parking lot. I don't know. More shops down here. Festive Mall. Oh, bakery. Clifford Pier.
More shops and food stands here, all sorts of things. Tampines Hub. Do you like some pastries, Boo? Look at all these pastries. Yummy, yummy. Oh, there's a Subway down there. Hopia. I want to look for Hopia. Peace, Boo. Oh, you're still full from the ship, huh? From the cruise. You see anything you like? Lost, which is not surprising because of Funny World. I'm just following them. Hiccups.
We're here. What's the name of this place? Melville Park in Singapore. Our friends Mike and Roxanne live here. Yeah, before they leave, they're selling their condo in about 3 months. We have a swimming pool over there. Making a joke that maybe you're interested in buying. No, like there's a big swimming pool. Is this the only swimming pool for the whole thing? They have Felix Revolini's. They're not supposed to get that tall. I guess they like the weather here. And the big ones here are Royal Palms. What are we doing? Where are we?
We're in the apartment.
Apartment is 11th floor of this I forgot, Meridian Apartments, Condos, I forgot the name.